see. Kehlani, what are you doing? Where are we finna go?
Beach.
Then she was spraying that stuff. Girl.
Don't mind me, but I made my YouTube banner last night, and I said I was gonna film a YouTube video today, but I did not realize that we was gonna be gone all day, so I'm just gonna film a vlog. We're supposed to be going to get some seafood and going to the beach, so it's not gonna be that interesting. But I mean, it's something. Fit check. Got on my little Scooby-Doo.
Fit check.
My little that. My little Crocs. And then that's that.
Fit check, yeah.
Got on his sister's shoes.
Maternity shoes.
Win the game.
And then the biggest drip of them all.
Hey, win the game.
What?
Girl face.
We had to go back in the store because Kehlani wants to leave my game. They're going to try to ask me, where's my game? Knowing she left it in the store. She knew she left it in the store. Y'all, look how you gotta open my sister's car, piece of shit. You always got an attitude, girl. What you mad for? Tell the camera. What are you mad for? It's a video. Girl. Girl, move.
Spider-Man.
I'm right here.
Get your baby.
Spider-Man.
Grab on this bitch, babe.
Got to feel it. Hold on.
Oh, ain't she a beauty? That's nice.
Hey Siri, call Green.
What do you need to do about that?
I know two and like I have more. But
You ate all your shrimp? Ew. Yeah, but if y'all got that Ambler, don't worry about it. I'm finna send her back because she talk too much. That's what you do when bitches can't drive. You gotta switch seats. That's why people walking up to people assuming that they work here.
I don't even know what to do.
You really just gotta look for it. We looking for you or Kehlani?
We're looking for me and Kehlani.
Oh, you finna get in that dirty behind water? Y'all, I got me some
No, but
posters.
I'm just gonna take a picture. I don't want to.
Some Naruto posters for my room. I don't know how I'm afford this.
even
But
my kids were there.
sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, you know. If you gotta steal it, you gotta steal it. Here they go, Naruto. No, that's Dragon Ball Z. But sometimes if you gotta steal, you gotta steal. Ain't that right? Them $22. And I don't even like Dragon Ball Z like that.
Right, y'all.
That's all they got? Oh, they got some Corona ones.
Where is it from?
That's the beer.
No.
They got some Scooby-Doo ones. Maybe that's all they got. They taxing around here. Here go the little girl bathing suits, but I just feel like she done had way too many bathing suits. What, the little girl? You finna get those for $22? Don't be stealing them. Oh, look at the little girl stuff. That's what I just said. I said I feel like she got way too many bathing suits to not have no bathing suit. I really like that one though.
Look at this one.
That one's cute. It's like,
The fuck is that?
it's really.
She done already had all of these.
What?
You don't like that one?
That's super big.
It's cute though. So yeah.
I'm going $4.
No, you gotta get the top and the bottom. It don't come to the bottom. That one do, but she already have that one. I'm putting on it 2 times.
Vlogging is way harder than it seems. It make it look like everybody just staring at you. Well, if that's not her section, this darn sure ain't her section. She ain't in the months no more. My bad. I'm trying to find her a bathing suit, but I can't find one, which obviously just means that that's her section over there. So yeah, that's her section because the ones over there is infant. I like these.
They're too big for her, even the extra small. So she just trying to.
Baby. Oh boy, I thought you was my man. Just, you know, it hurt me to my heart the way I love ended.
That's all?
Yeah, we can't find everything over there was months.
Let me see it. Let me see the outfit so I can pay for it.
Girl, you're not gonna get it. You get some shorts and we'll call it a day. Dang, I can't believe all this stuff was too big.
All Kilani stuff was too big?
Yeah, all that stuff. She already has that bathing suit though. That's the gag. That's so ghetto. Who will wear that? A Lunchable shirt. Oh, Wonder Woman. Let me see if I see something else that I like. Ooh. Kelsey, here they go. They got. That's about. Oh no, they got another My Hero Academia. I got the same poster. And they got a Space Jam. 'Tis the season to be falling.
Alright.
Kilani, how does it feel?
Yeah.
How does it feel knowing you're going to the beach, girl? You don't know? Is it true that you talked to Bryson? Is it true that you talked to Bryson? Is it true that you kissed Bryson on the cheek? No! Is Kylie still your best friend? Did Sadie hit you on that trampoline? Kilani, don't avoid the cameras. Answer the question. Is it true that you talked to Carter? Is it true that you're in a secret relationship with Carter?
Girl, get the fuck out
Do you
of my
talk to Bryson and Carter at the same time? Ooh, girl.
Security, ma'am. Security. Back up with the camera.
We have finally made it to the beach. Don't mind my glasses. They're broke and I don't have no insurance. Well, they're not broke, but they're gonna break. And before they get to that point, I'm just gonna put tape on them so they don't break beyond use because yeah. But we finally made it to the beach. So they're finna go get wet. I'm not dressed to get wet. I don't want to get wet. But that's the back of her car. Yeah. What, girl? You didn't even grab your bathing suit. That's basically what we doing. My skin might be dry.
I ain't got no tent either way.
Like right here is really dry. So yeah. Waiting for these girls to change. I ain't got no bra. Oh my goodness, I just remembered I had to pee. Still vlogging.
Dang, what's taking her so long?
That boy got his nipples pierced.
Oh, yeah.
But your tattoos look like cuh.
You see, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Let me see the tats. Tats on my body. Tats on my face.
Child. Girl. They hiring lifeguards right there.
I know the fuck you didn't rush me out so you could fucking make TikTok.
Niggas think they hoes, but hoes, we hoes too. Two can play that game, bitch, we do what you do. I say now niggas think they hoes, but hoes, we hoes too. Two can play that game, bitch, we do what you do. You see you holler at my girl and I holler at your boy.
Look at the beautiful beach. It don't even stink that much. Let me take my Crocs off.
That's the other piece.
On the beach. It would have been nice.
Where they have all the party finish.
It would have been nice to have some alcohol. Bitch, I said you said not to get or sober. But I'm gonna get my little feet wet, you know, get my little feet wet. Hopefully it ain't cold. Is it cold? Ah, for the first time, it's warm. Ah! Yeah, it's not that cold, but yeah. So yeah, the one who wanted to come to the beach the most is the one who's scared of the water. Ain't that crazy? I hope y'all can hear me. It's not winding too much, but the mosquitoes tearing me up. Hopefully they're not by the water. I don't think they're by the water because you know you got the bug. I mean, what you call it? You got the birds. So yeah. But you know, it's a great day to go outside. People all out there. They're not scared to get wet. Not scared to get wet. Y'all, this lady said she liked my hair, and you know, you always got the bitches hating from the stands, talking about she was lying. But I mean, it's a little rough, but she said she loved blue, and you got the bitches hate from the side. I don't know why they hate from outside the club. They can't even get in. Like, what would this vlog be without a dope? We got us a hot stud over there, just farting for no reason. Oh, he taking that girl nut water far. Hey, ah! We are leaving the beach. Did you have fun, Kehlani? She said she had fun. So now we're just gonna go home. And I want to go to the gym, but I gotta see how I feel. I want to drink, but I guess the gym, trying to get that, you know, you gotta build your summer bodies in the winter or whatever. So, yeah. We just ordered strawberry ice cream, but this is not what she's gonna get, and nobody gets strawberry, so I'm gonna lick it one time. It's not that bad, you know. You need to try stuff after you say you don't like it. That's why I like guacamole now. I think I tried some nasty guacamole one time, but I tried it the other day.
That's the hell that's in my car. Want to go back?
No.
You gonna ride that everybody?
Turn right onto Glen Avenue.
So, I forgot to vlog. Well, there really wasn't nothing else to vlog. So I came home. That sand made me very itchy, so I had to take a bath. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna clean my room and go to the gym and call it a night because I have to work in the morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want. I really don't know what type of videos to do. I just know I was gonna film like a lookbook for the stuff I bought but haven't wore yet, or even the stuff I wore. So just let me know what type of videos you guys want, and I'll try to make. I mean, I don't know how else to say. I'll try to make them. I'm thinking maybe some sewing videos because I got the time to do that now. But, you know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and have a good day.